You can smell. It's not like that salty smell. It's actually very sweet. So we're here at the soy sauce factory. This is where they put all the beans, and then after the washing they have the process and all that. Then they'll ferment here for 6 months. After 6 months, then all the soy will be collected here, and then just basically on the pipe, and then you collect. That's a lot. So I'm guessing this is the first stage of fermentation, where they do it under the shade. That's probably second stage. You can smell the actually it's quite sweet. It's not like that salty smell. It's actually very sweet kind of smell. It's very unique, very interesting. So the journey is like that, right? They'll basically wash and soak the soybeans, they'll cook it, mix, then they'll ferment it for a while, mix it with brine, then long-term fermentation, that's the 6 months one which we saw outside there. And then they basically extract it, and there we go. That's the brand. Very nice.